So noon, the rules for the noon is-sakin are similar to the rules for the at-tanween. So the difference between, as I said, tanween comes only at the end of the word, but the noon is-sakin could come in the beginning, the middle, or at the end of the word. And there are a number of rules. I'm not going to talk about all of them. I'm going to talk only about one of them. And then we will, is that the end of it? Okay. I thought I had something else. Anyway, when the letters ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon come after either the noon is-sakin or at-tanween, then the noon is pronounced in a different way. So let's start with the simplest of this. If we have if I have alif and noon, and then after the alif and noon there is lam. Oh, sorry. We compress these two letters together. When you pronounce it, you don't say an-lam, you say al-lam. So the noon and the lam are joined together, and there is no what they call ghunna. You know, the noon, when you say the noon comes from the top of the nose. And usually it comes with a musical sound. We call this ghunna. So when we have lam after the noon sakin, we say, we combine them, but we suppress this sound, this musical sound, which we call ghunna. It doesn't show. Al-lam. The same thing if there is ra after the, for example, if I have, say, ra'a, you don't say an ra'a to say ar-ra'a. You know, you join. So these two letters, lam and ra, when they appear after the noon, sakin, or the tanween, they are joined with the noon, and the noon disappears, the sound of the noon disappears in the letter that comes after, in the lam or the ra. So I think that's, I don't want to, elaborate on this. We take it a bit by bit, but make sure when you are reciting, I know that the Pakistani people recite Quran in a better way than many of the Arabs, because you learn that as you grow up. Unfortunately, in places like Egypt, we don't pay attention much in general, so we make these mistakes very often. But the idea here is to pay attention to these details, and then it will come naturally afterwards. Any questions? Yeah, sure.
Does anybody have any questions? The participant who are joining us online? I I don't see any hand raised, and I'm going to be checking comments as well. Thank you so much. So we are finishing now. Jazakallah khair everyone for joining.
Allah Akbar.
No, this is not mine. This is from your box as well.